Good morning, all of you. Students, you know that we have covered the present tense and its four forms: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense, with its use, its structure, and examples. We have already covered the two forms of past tense, simple past tense and past continuous tense, in the last lecture. Now we are going towards third form of the past tense, that is past perfect tense. Where do we use past perfect tense? We have to write here. See, this tense, this means this past perfect tense. This tense denotes the action. This tense denotes the action that was completed at a point of time in past. What is written here? See, this tense, this means past perfect tense, denotes the action. Okay, this tense shows the action that was completed. The action that was completed म्हणजे जी पूर्ण झाली होती. That was completed at a point of time in the past. In past, in gone days or in gone time, if the action was completed at a point of time, that time we have to use this tense. See here, we have to understand through this. For example, look, this is present point. Okay, this is yesterday, this is the day before. Okay, today, for example, the date is 23rd. Okay, the earlier date 22nd, and the earlier of this 22nd there is 21st. Okay, now we have to think on it. See, the action started and completed in the past. For example, look, the action was completed at a point of time in past. For example, on 21st of this month, the action was completed at 4 o'clock. That time. Okay, to speak about this, we have to use this tense. पहा काय म्हटलंय की भूतकाळामध्ये एखाद्या ठराविक वेळेला, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 21st, गेलेल्या दोन दिवसापूर्वी समजा 4 वाजता एक कृती पूर्ण झाली होती असं आपल्याला सांगायचंय, तर हा टेन्स वापरला जातो. करेक्ट आहे? ओके, द ॲक्शन शुड बी कंप्लीटेड इन द पास्ट. दॅट टाइम, टू इंडिकेट इट, we have to use this tense. At first, we have to discuss about the structure. See, the structure of this tense is subject plus had plus V3 plus object last full stop. This structure shows the assertive sentence and the tense is past perfect tense. After subject, we have to use had and then verb third. Right? Okay. Only one auxiliary verb is given. After singular subjects or after plural subject, we have to use had plus verb third. There is no any other rule. See here, had shows the past time and verb third shows perfect action, means complete action. In the past, if the action is completed, okay, to indicate that action we have to use this tense, subject plus had plus verb third plus object. Now we have to go through the examples. See, we have to use this structure to make the sentences. For example, I had completed my homework. I had completed my homework when the light turned off. See here, what is written? I had completed my homework. Here at first main clause is given, and when the light turned off, this is subordinate clause. In main clause, had plus verb third is used, and this had plus verb third shows that the action was completed at a point of time, and point of time is given in subordinate clause when the light turned off. ज्यावेळेस लाईट टर्न्ड ऑफ झाल्या होत्या त्यावेळेस काय झालं? आय हॅड कंप्लीटेड माय होमवर्क, मी माझा गृहपाठ पूर्ण केलेला होता. अशा पद्धतीने हे वाक्य आपण देऊ शकतो. Okay, here in this sentence two clauses are used, but in main clause there is past perfect tense, okay, and in subordinate clause simple past tense is used. This verb second shows simple past. Next example, students had read the chapter. Students had read the chapter when the teacher called them. When the teacher called them. Okay, look here. In this given example, students had read the chapter, this is main clause, and when the teacher called them, this is subordinate clause. In the main clause, what is written? See, after subject students, had plus verb third is used, and this had plus verb third shows past perfect tense. And in subordinate clause, we have used simple past tense. Okay, subordinate clause is used here to show the particular point of time in the past, and at this particular point of time, what is the particular point of time? When the teacher called them. Okay, that particular point of time, on that particular point of time, what students had completed? Students had read the chapter. Students नी चॅप्टर वाचलेला होता जेव्हा टीचरनी त्यांना बोलावलं. अशा पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला तयार करता येतात. हॅड प्लस V3 शोज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, राजेश, though this is singular subject, there is only one auxiliary verb, that is had. Rajesh had planted trees. Rajesh had planted trees, full stop. Look the example, subject is Rajesh, had plus verb third is the past perfect tense. Rajesh had planted trees, म्हणजेच राजेशने झाडे लावलेली होती. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4, गर्ल्स had worked together. Look what is given. Girls had worked together. Here had plus V3 shows past perfect tense. Girls is a subject, then had is auxiliary verb, work verb third, had plus V3 shows past perfect tense. Girls had worked together. मुलींनी एकत्रित काम केलेलं होतं. केव्हा काम केलेलं होतं ते आपण इथं पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दिलेला नाहीये, परंतु ही ॲक्शन भूतकाळामध्ये एका ठराविक वेळेला पूर्ण झालेली होती असं दर्शवत असते. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5. अ चाइल्ड had seen a snake when he was called full stop. See here, a child had seen a snake. What is the meaning? मुलाने एक साप पाहिलेला होता जेव्हा he was called, जेव्हा त्याला बोलावलं गेलं तेव्हा. Here a child is subject, had plus V3 is past perfect tense. Okay, and when he was called is subordinate clause, and here was called, this is a passive form of simple past tense. Was plus V3 is the passive form of simple past tense. Okay, this subordinate clause is used to show the particular point of time in the past, and on that point of time when he was called, that time he had seen, म्हणजे त्यानं पाहिलेला होता. अशा पद्धतीचं हे एक्झाम्पल आहे. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल्स वी कॅन मेक बाय युझिंग दिस पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. आय थिंक यू हॅव understood this. Now we should go towards the another form of the past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense number 4. See there, the number 4, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, the underline to the title, past perfect continuous tense. This is the 4th form of past tense. You will find past tense in this form also. What can we say about this tense? Where do we use this tense? We have to discuss at first. Okay, see, this tense is used to show the action, that was started from past, comma, partly completed, in past but continued. What is the meaning? See here, this tense is used to show the action that was started from past. The action was started from past. For example, the action is started from past and partly completed in past. Okay, भूतकाळातूनच ती कृती सुरू झाली आणि भूतकाळातच ती पूर्ण झाली, परंतु कंटिन्यू राहिली. ओके, that partly completed in past for a duration etc. but continued, अशा पद्धतीनं हे सांगता येतं. See how can we explain this? Look here, how can we explain? This is the past portion, okay, the gone timing, that is past. In the past, this is present time, and here past is there. In the past, the action started from a particular point of time, okay, action was started from past and partly completed in past, okay. Action started from past and also completed from past, but it didn't stop, it continued like this. For example, look, for example, I had been teaching English. I had been teaching English for 9 years in last month. What is given here? I had been teaching म्हणजेच मी शिकवत आलेलो होतो काय इंग्लिश फॉर 9 years. मी 9 वर्षासाठी इंग्लिश शिकवत आलेलो होतो, पण 9 वर्ष इंग्लिश शिकवण्याचे पूर्ण केव्हा झाले होते? इन लास्ट मंथ. इन लास्ट मंथ म्हटलंय म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन प्रेझेंट व्हॉट इज द धिस मंथ? ओके, दिस इज सप्टेंबर. द अर्लियर मंथ that is August. Yes, look here, the action started, this action, the action of teaching English started from the before 9 years, and look here, this action of teaching completed in the last month, okay, in August month the action completed for the 9 years, but it is not stopped, it is continued, okay, this action is continue, right? In the last month the action completed, became perfect for 9 years. Like this we can use the structure and this tense. Now at first we have to discuss about structure of this form of tense. The structure is subject plus, had plus, been plus, V4 plus object, full stop. You know the structure of present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense you will find have oblique has, but here in this past perfect continuous tense you will find auxiliary verb had. Had shows past time, been shows perfect action, and V4 shows continuous action. This structure should be used in this tense to show the action that was started from the past and partly completed in the past but continued. See the example. Example first. Boys had been playing cricket for 4 hours yesterday at 12 p.m. Okay, see what is given. Boys had been playing cricket. मुले क्रिकेट खेळत आलेली होती फॉर 4 hours म्हणजे 4 तासासाठी. पण केव्हा? yesterday at 12 p.m. काल 12 वाजता मुलं 4 तासासाठी क्रिकेट खेळत आलेली होती. म्हणजे 12 वाजण्याच्या वेळेला त्यांची क्रिकेट खेळण्याचे 4 तास पूर्ण झाले होते. तर आता ॲक्शन काल 4 तासापूर्वी सुरू झाली 12 वाजण्याच्या, आणि 12 वाजता ती ॲक्शन 4 तासासाठी पूर्ण झाली, परंतु पुढे ती आणखीन कंटिन्युअस होती अशा पद्धतीने इथं सांगितलं जातं. बॉईज हॅड बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर 4 hours yesterday at 12 PM. Here had plus been plus V4 shows past perfect continuous tense. Next example, teacher had been teaching us, teacher had been teaching us grammar for 3 months, for 3 months in last week. अर्थ काय होतो? टीचर हॅड बीन टीचिंग, टीचर शिकवत आलेले होते, अस आम्हाला काय शिकवत आले होते? ग्रामर. टीचर आम्हाला ग्रामर शिकवत आलेले होते फॉर 3 months म्हणजे 3 महिन्यासाठी, आणि ते 3 महिन्याचा कालावधी पूर्ण कधी झाला? इन लास्ट वीक. लास्ट वीकमध्ये 3 महिन्याचा तो कालावधी पूर्ण झाला आणि टीचर त्या 3 महिन्याच्या कालावधीसाठी लास्ट वीकमध्ये हॅड बीन टीचिंग शिकवत आलेले होते. अशा पद्धतीनं हा टेन्स इथं दाखवला जातो. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल सी. ओके, सब्जेक्ट आय हॅड बीन मेकिंग toys for 2 hours. See here, I had been making toys for 2 hours. Had plus been plus V4 shows past perfect continuous tense. ॲक्शन सांगितले, आय हॅड बीन मेकिंग, मी बनवत आलेलो होतो. काय? टॉईज. मी टॉईज बनवत आलेलो होतो फॉर 2 hours, 2 तासासाठी मी टॉईज बनवत आलेलो होतो. ओके, यू नो वी हॅव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द यूज ऑफ फॉर अँड सिन्स वेअर इन प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. वी नो for is used for the duration and since is used for the particular point of time, right? These type of the examples we have to do and we have to make the practice of each and every form of the tense. Okay, we have covered present tense and here also we have covered past tense and its 4 forms. In the next lecture there will be future tense and its 4 forms. Now we have to stop here. You have to make practice of using the tenses, right? We have to stop here. Thank you very much.